400 startups, 400 world changers, dreamers, disruptors. But here's the problem. Classical evaluation? Slow, manual, linear. You've got 400 dreams in 40 hours. Do the math. It doesn't work. Genius gets buried. Breakthroughs die waiting. Not anymore. Forget linear. Think simultaneous. This is quantum acceleration. We don't process one at a time. We process all 400 at once. Every qubit carries a pattern, a signal, a piece of genius. They talk to each other. They evolve together. One massive, intelligent graph thinking, learning, deciding in real time. In minutes, not months, the signal breaks through the noise. The best rise. The game changers shine. Higher accuracy, impossible speed. And scale? There is no ceiling. 1 million algorithmic qubits running as a service. This isn't theory, this is now. Innovation doesn't wait in line anymore. It doesn't beg for a chance. It explodes into existence. Quantum Speed, Nature's Future. An initiative by Dynex Moonshots, using Dynex's proprietary quantum-as-a-service technology in collaboration with Innovate for Nature, where genius meets quantum and the future accelerates.